Hey everyone, it's Jeof here and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be talking about the new Xiaomi 13 Pro. Xiaomi has been making some really impressive smartphones in recent years, and the 13 Pro is no exception. It's got a lot of great features and specs, and I'm so excited to share to you my thoughts on it with you guys. So let's dive in to the details and see what the Xiaomi 13 Pro has to offer. But before further ado, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech news and reviews. Let's get started. Let's start with the design and build quality. The Xiaomi 13 Pro is a beautifully crafted device with a sleek and minimalist design that's reminiscent of some of the other high-end smartphones on the market. This phone in my hand is made from high-quality materials with aluminum frame and ceramic at the back, and it feels sturdy and well built in the hand. It supports IP68 water and dust resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Dual SIM, but unfortunately no SD card expansion, but it's okay for me because it has a 256GB base model in other region. Moving on to the display, the screen is also quite impressive with a 6.73-inch curved LTPO AMOLED display with a high resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus that can produce bright, clear, and vibrant colors. It supports 1 million colors, 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and 1900 nits peak brightness. So the display is pretty much awesome. Moving on to the performance and specs, the Xiaomi 13 Pro is a real powerhouse. It's powered by the most powerful CPU, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm CPU, which is one of the fastest processors on the market right now. It also has a 12GB of RAM and 512 of storage, which should be more than enough for most users. The phone is also 5G capable, which means you'll be able to take advantage of the latest and fastest mobile network speeds. Now let's talk about the camera. The Xiaomi 13 Pro has a triple lens camera setup, which includes a 50-megapixel 1-inch sensor primary lens with f1.9 aperture, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with f2.0 aperture, with a 3.2 optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide. There's a 32-megapixel front-facing camera as well. The primary lens is really impressive, and it produces some stunning photos with great detail and color accuracy. The ultra-wide lens is also quite good, and it's perfect for capturing landscape or group photos. Here are the sample shots taken by my good friend Mr. Asjad. He is a photographer here in Dubai and using this Xiaomi 13 Pro. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. So finally, let's talk about the battery life. The Xiaomi 13 Pro has a 4820 mAh battery, which should be more than enough to get you through a full day of use. It also supports super fast charging technology of 120 watts, which means you can get a fully charged in just a matter of 19 minutes. The phone also supports wireless charging of 50 watts, and it will be fully charged in just 36 minutes. Which is a nice bonus. Overall, I think the Xiaomi 13 Pro is a really great smartphone. It has a beautiful design, impressive specs, and a great camera. The battery life is also quite good, and the phone supports fast charging and wireless charging. The only downside is that it's a bit on the expensive side, which is 4,299 dirhams here in Dubai. But if you're willing to pay the premium price, you won't be disappointed with this phone. So guys, what do you think of this latest flagship from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi 13 Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you liked the video, consider subscribing to help this channel grow. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.